Overheating can slow down laptop performance, cause crashes, and reduce the lifespan of your device. This cooling pad provides effective cooling, especially useful during heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing the Havit HV-F2056 Laptop Cooling Pad. This is a slim portable laptop cooling pad compatible with 15.6 to 17-inch laptops. It's designed to prevent laptops from overheating, making it ideal for students, professionals, and gamers who use their device for long hours. Starting with the design, the cooling pad comes in a sleek black and blue color scheme that gives it a modern look. It's made of durable ABS material, ensuring it can handle daily use. It's also ultra portable, weighing only 1.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry around or take on the go. Its dimensions are 14.96 inches by 11.02 inches with thickness of 1.18 inches, making it compact and easy to store. The pad doubles as an ergonomic stand with two adjustable height settings, providing a comfortable angle for long work or gaming sessions. The Havit HV-F2056 has a high-quality multi-directional metal mesh, offering a stable surface and protecting your laptop from wear and tear. It features 3 ultra-quiet fans, creating a noise-free cooling experience while keeping your laptop at a safe temperature. The pad includes an extra USB port and a power switch, and a built-in dual USB hub allows for connecting additional USB device. The packaged cable is USB to USB, so if you use a Type-C connection, you will need an adapter. After testing, we found that the cooling pad does a fantastic job at preventing laptops from overheating, especially during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. The fans are very quiet, so you won't be distracted while you work or play. The adjustable height also helps with posture and overall comfort, making it easier on your neck and back during long sessions. However, the Havit HV-F2056 laptop cooling pad is a solid choice for anyone looking to extend their laptop's life by keeping it cool. It's effective, portable, and adjustable, definitely a great value for the price. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a gamer, this cooling pad offers some fantastic features. So if you wanna buy this, please check the comment box and check our video description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you are anything you would like me to review next. See you in the next video. Tada!